With aluminum foil, you can make your blunt knives as sharp as they were when you first bought them. To keep drinks warm, reuse the lid from a tube of potato chips. Here's a hack to make perfect homemade ice cream cones. Delicious! Fruit will keep for longer if vacuum-packed. Here's how to do this using commonly found items that we all have at home. Easy. Unpleasant odors from the fridge? A used coffee capsule will absorb all the unpleasant odors. If your bananas are not ripe, an apple will help them to ripen faster. Here's a smart way to cut up lettuce. Place a cloth in the container and the lettuce will stay crispy for longer. Kept in plastic, cheese will go off faster. It's much better to wrap cheese in parchment paper. Want a quick lunch? Here's a creative, tasty hack. Don't have an ice cube mold? Try this hack to always have some crushed ice in the freezer. Perfect for preparing fresh ice-cold lemonade. Roll a lemon over a flat surface. Then pierce it with a toothpick to more easily release the juice. A thirst-quenching drink. Try this hack to prepare convenient, single portions of sauce to use whenever needed.